Now we have campus set up and ready to go. It's time to set up our Schoology course. So you're going to go into your course. On the left-hand side, you're going to go to Grade Setup. On the grade setup here, we start out with categories, just like in campus. The categories don't get sent back and forth, so we got to make some categories. I've started my first one, pre-test 0%, formative 20%. I'm going to add my summative now, just add a category. Summative 80%. Once you do it for one class, they kind of pop up. Now here comes the part where we have to make sure to weight categories. We got to set up categories the same in both grade books if we want them to calculate the same. So I come back in here, just add my weight, 20, 0, 80. So if I weight categories in both spots, I'm happy with what that's going to look like. Gradebook scale, numeric, all that type of stuff, that's pretty standard. And that's how we get that gradebook set up. Then the last thing we have to do is scroll down on the left-hand side here and click on Infinite Campus. On Infinite Campus on the left-hand side, it's going to roll up, and you're going to have a button that says Activate or Accept Infinite Campus and kind of start this process. Once you click that button, you're going to get this screen anytime you're in Infinite Campus, or click on Infinite Campus, you're going to have sync grades and sync changes here. And I'll show you what that looks like coming up. But that's how the basic setup of getting your gradebook set up to go back to Infinite Campus.